past. Pushing on, describing our acts. Here we are. Is everybody in? Nothing's being written. It's all we've ever been. There's nothing but the wind. Winding around in the wind, winding around, up and down. That everybody's in. No one in control. We filled this room like fishbowl. Communion of our soul, reflections of our own. Welcome to the display. Juxtapose while we play. Moving parts. So beware, therefore, in the wind, in the wind, winding around, in the wind, winding around. Everybody's in. Poof goes the flame that erases your name. You're an animal once caged by orchestrated shame. You've examined the skies and the silent frontier, and you've found a pale, stagnant, emotion-filled mirror, and the echo of light and ideas in your voice ring clear in your mind, and they show you the manner of which you are blind, and you always have been, and your flicker of spiritual flame has begun, and this world a distraction of lifelong proportions will seem like a flash of light when you're done, but our eyes watch each other all the while we are here, and we make an immaculate energy that flows with the wind, with the wind, with the wind, with the wind.